Hello everybody! This video is sponsored by Hubert. Because of him I got my hands on this strange looking device. Front panel markings are in French, but we can guess what it is based on numerical values printed on this device. This is probably a control lamp. This looks like a breaker, but I'm not sure. Here we have voltage regulated from 0 to 20 volts, 5 amps max. The second option on this terminal is 0 to 10 volts, maximum 10 amps. Regular outlet 120 volts, 10 amps max. The second outlet gives us 0 to 120 volts at maximum 5 amps. Here we have plus and minus terminals with one option from 0 to 15 volts and 5 amps. The second option is regulated 0 to 6 volts, maximum 10 amps. On both terminals we have A and B options. So it looks like this selector switch determines if we run it in A or B mode. Those two looks like breakers. It is easy to guess then that we have here Autotransformer providing regulated voltage from 0 to 120. And probably there is also a step-down transformer to lower voltage to 20 and 10 volts AC. Before I plug it in to check if it runs, I will visually inspect this device, including internals. It looks like some moisture exposure. Hopefully not inside. Insulation on the cord is ripped, but it is just the outer layer. Cables inside look okay. If it works, this must be replaced. Let's look inside this thing. Cracked open. What? It is empty inside. A decoy? But why is it so heavy? It is just hanging there. Simple build. Autotransformer. This contact point rides on transformer windings regulating output voltage. Here is the step-down transformer. Bridge rectifier, 4 diodes. Breakers. It will be easy to replace the power cord. I cannot see any capacitors or chokes that smooth out voltage past the bridge. Depending on the definition you choose, we have DC voltage on red and black terminals, or, like some people say, unidirectional voltage. I cannot see any signs of overheating or burned components. I will put it back together and power it up. The device is put back together. Just in case, I will power it through an electric bulb tester. When I flip this switch, the current will flow through this bulb to my tested device. The incandescent bulb will act as a safety feature that will limit the current. If the bulb will not light up with full brightness, I will flip this switch to bypass the bulb. If it will light up, well, it can glow a bit but not light up. But if it will, it means that I have short somewhere in the device. Like in this example when I introduce a short circuit on the plug. Here you have a diagram how everything is connected in the tester, and connections I made to the outlets. To copy this at your own risk, you must break tabs on this double outlet to separate them. It is up to you, but I prefer to maintain neutral and hot position in the outlets. The switch on. And we have the control lamp on. No smoke, no kaboom. Hard to tell if the bulb is glowing slightly, but it is not on full blast. Let's check voltages. Almost 120. In the second outlet, we start with 0. And we have here only 112 volts. Remember that we have the bulb introducing voltage drop to the circuit. When I bypass the bulb, the voltage is bumped to 118. No load, 21 volts AC on A mode. And we can regulate the output voltage. In mode B, 10.9 volts. Can be regulated too. The multimeter in DC mode. Almost 10 volts in B mode. And 20 volts on A. The multimeter in AC mode, and we have here AC component of 6.6 volts. In B mode, we have here over 3 volts of AC component. So it is dirty DC output. The current flows in one direction, but it is bumpy ride. This device was used in school labs for different demonstrations and experiments. School or lab, the electric current is the electric current. It will be excellent variac on my bench. One more thing, we can use different wattage bulbs, but always incandescent. Here I have 300 watt bulb. This one was 60 watts. I will switch it in the tester. And once again, we'll conduct measurements. See how they differ from before? Used to be 112. Now I have a question. We know that an electric current can flow only in a closed loop. If I will plug in the tester to itself and flip this switch, will the bulb illuminate? Till next time.